Hi you guys, it is Nikki D back with another quick video. I just wanted to hop on real quick to show you some payment proof that Listinfinity does work and you're able to build up your list. All right, so what I'm doing is going to my email real quick, and here we go. PayPal payment received, okay, $10. And what I love about this opportunity, it is a low ticket opportunity. Anybody can literally get started like right now for 10 bucks and start building an email list and start making unlimited instant commissions of $10. And so I just wanted to show proof that the system does work. All right, let me show you a little bit about the back office real quick. Give me just a moment to get signed into my account. And you're going to see just how dynamic this is. It's really simple. People are always looking for a way to make money. Not everybody can afford to pay $50, $100, $200, $300, or $1,000 to get started with a business opportunity. So this is on the low end, 10 bucks. And the great thing I like about it is that it is one time. Okay, so it is one time. And so let's see. Yeah, and so it's showing my leads for today, 9 clicks, 5 leads. That's actually for today. And you get some really good stuff. Like you have different capture pages to choose from, and you can choose from them randomly. All right. And if you upgrade to the one-time payment of $100 level, then you get all of this pro training that we have here. So there's a lot of pro training back here for the $100 level, so you get way more bang for your buck, plus vacation stays, restaurant vouchers, all of that stuff. But just for the $10, like I said, the Facebook training that you get the capture pages to choose from, okay? And you can promote this and earn instant commissions of $10 at the lowest level and $100 at the highest level. And I know that the owner is also getting ready to come out with some more levels, okay? So you want to get in where you fit in. And $10, we spend that on a meal, okay? We spend that. That's nothing. That's literally a drop in the bucket. So everybody can literally win. So just wanted to show you that is possible, that it can happen, you guys. All right. Just for those of you who didn't see it, here it is again. This is my payment, and this is from Listinfinity, because you can see it right down here. Listinfinity starter. Okay. So if you are interested in making some additional money, maybe you already have a business and need a way to build your email list up for your business. This can be for you too. If you don't have a business, this can be your business, offering this tool to other marketers and making instant commissions. It is member to member, so nobody has their hands on your money. So when they pay you, it's going straight to you. I believe you can receive payment via PayPal, or you can sign up for Stripe. But either way, you guys, this is it. This is it. So if you are interested in, hey, making it do what it do and start putting some extra income in your pocket, get with me. Click the link below this video so you can get started. You can create an account for free and get started with just the $10 level. Try it out. If you like the 10, then you can upgrade to 100 and start getting $100 payments over and over again. All right. It's all up to you where you want to start, where you're most comfortable. All right. And we also have a group that you can be plugged into, which is our support group, plus a proof group to help you to close sales as well. So there's lots of stuff there for you and to help you and to guide you. So click the link below this video to get started. Reach out to me. The link to my page on Facebook is going to be below this video, so you can reach out to me. Make sure that you address that you are from YouTube, so I know that you came from YouTube, you guys, okay? And also, just make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel so you can just stay up to date on the latest ways to make money. I have a really cool thing that I'm getting ready to do a video on here in the next few days, and you all are going to be like, wow, okay? And there's no recruiting, and you can literally make money. So there's always ways to make money. There's too many ways to make money to be broke. That's my motto, all right? So with that being said, it's Nikki D here, and I'm out.